on. We appreciate it, and we're going to be looking forward to the show. All right, back to a break now. We'll be back.
We're closed, but our website is always open.
Welcome to the new St. Paul's Senior Community in Belleville. Our nonprofit, faith-based community offers 6 new households providing specialized memory care, shelter care to provide assisted living, Medicare rehab to home services, as well as long-term skilled nursing care. Come visit us today and experience excellence in senior living. The new St. Paul's Senior Community, a place of faith and caring, a place to call home.
Have you been injured in a car accident? Don't think you can afford an attorney? We don't get paid unless you get paid. Remember the 4s. Just dial 314-444-4444. Schultz Myers, putting you first.
Choosing from the $4 menu is not for the indecisive. Incredible values await. Behold the original double steak burger meal. The salad and chili cheese football meals. The garlic double steak burger meal.
What's that sound, Master?
Frank through elbow. Try it. The $4 menu. What are steak and shake.
Okay, for the savings is Ackerman Toyota, so we know you'll get our best deal. So come on down to Ackerman Toyota, only minutes from the hill. We'll make it worth the trip.